Hi, this video covers the Show Electronic Payments History button for Card Defender in Microsoft RMS. This will show all the transactions that are on the terminal. It would not show a transaction if a batch has been performed before clicking this, because at that point the terminal would be empty. To activate it, you just click the button. It will prompt for the number of items you want to see. Generally, it's best to set this to 0 to show the entire terminal. Click on the OK. This will take some time, and be aware that at the end of a day, it could take a lot of time for this to happen. Because after a lot of transactions are on the terminal, it has to go and pull all of them off. And here you can see that there are 5 transactions here. More specifically, there are 3 sales and 2 voids. There are 2 things to be aware of here. If you notice here, the transaction number on both of these are 0. These are the transactions as they appear in the POS. And if it does not have a transaction number, it did not get recorded in the POS. This is usually due to a situation where the POS crashed around the time of the receipt being printed, and thus the transaction makes it onto the terminal, but not to be recorded in RMS. You will often get a batch imbalance message then when you close for the day. And then the other pieces of information that you'll be interested in is, of course, payment type, card type, amount, timestamp, when the transaction occurred, which is usually pretty important when you're trying to look up a specific one, and then account. This is the last 4 digits of the credit card, and that can also help when verifying a transaction if it made it on the terminal or not. Okay, and generally what you'll do is you'll verify if it made it or not, and if you have further questions or concerns, you can certainly contact RITE and we will look into it further. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.